Hey guys, what's up? This is Haris from teamandroid.com, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to remove or hide the notch on the Huawei Nova 3. Actually, this guide also applies to the Huawei P20 Pro, P20, P20 Lite, and also the Huawei Nova 3i. Notches are something that it all comes down to personal preference. Some people like it and some don't. And these days all smartphone manufacturers have been trying to get the highest screen to body ratios on their phones. That means that to house the speaker grill, the camera, the flash and other sensors, they have to put up a notch at the top. Some manufacturers have actually gone ahead and completely removed the notch. But in that case, they have to house the sensor somewhere else. So let me just quickly show you how to if you want to just make the notch less prominent on Huawei phones. Let me show you how to do that. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go inside your settings, then go to display, and here you will go scroll down and you will see an option for notch. Now the default is by enabling it, but if you just want to hide it or make it less prominent, you select hide notch, and see it's gone from up here. It makes it less prominent. Let me show you. Default is this, and this is without the notch. So now it looks like the whole screen as like one piece. There's no cutouts in between. So if you're one of those who don't like notches, and you have recently bought a Huawei phone, this is how you can get rid of it and make it less prominent. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching it, and let us know in the comments what you think, and if you want us to cover anything else out of the Huawei Nova 3, let us know. And don't forget to press the like button and hit subscribe. Thanks guys.